asebuyile ama-rumors eKaizer Chiefs noStanley Nwabali. iKaizer Chiefs want to sign uStanley Nwabali. uStanley Nwabali ugoalkeeper weChippa United, una-28 years old. Uphinde futhi abe yi-first choice goalkeeper weNigeria. Yabo, uvimbele i-country iNigeria, nakhumbula nonke enza ey'bukwayo kwi-AFCON. Wasiza iNigeria ukuthi ifike kwi-final ye-AFCON. Yabo, yize-ke badliwa lapha. But iKaizer Chiefs right now ine-crisis ko-goalkeeper. Ogoalkeeper babo bathathu. Yabo, ama-first choice goalkeepers iKaizer Chiefs bomathathu ayavuza impela emuva bafethu. iKaizer Chiefs iyona team engakabi nayo i-clean sheet so far kule season, since wonke ama-games basawadlalile balokhu be-consider nje kulowo ma-games lawo. Iyona team engenayo clean sheets, and that's a bad record kwi-team enjenge-Kaizer Chiefs. I-team enkulu leyana, badinga ugoalkeeper osolid at the back. Mase ubheke uNtwari ugoalkeeper bamsayina kwi-TS Galaxy. uNtwari usebe nama-appearances awu-5 kwi-Betway Premiership, use-consider 7 goals. 5 appearances in Betway Premiership and were considered 7 goals. That's a bad record right there. Go goalkeeper oyi-1. Mase kuthi uPeterson ube nama-appearances awu-3 kwi-Betway Premiership so far, wa consider 5 goals. Only 3 games wa consider 5 goals kwi-Betway Premiership. Kwathi ubuvuma ade fakiwe ngosikhathi bedlala ne-TS Galaxy, ube ne-appearance eyodwa kwi-Betway Premiership, wa consider le set piece le ayishayiwe niyibonile nonke izolo ngosikhathi iKaizer Chiefs i-draw ngo-1-1. So iKaizer Chiefs iyabona right now ukuthi inenkinga ngempela e-back, so idinga goalkeeper omusha. Ngabe lo goalkeeper lo angafika isizini iKaizer Chiefs lapha, because uyadlala ngempela kwiChippa United. So but kodwa naye mosathi ukubheka i-record yakhe kule season kwiChippa United ayikho yinhle, yabo, ayikho yinhle. But mase mhlambe yafika kuKaizer Chiefs angafika enze umnyakazo lapha, because iKaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu and nayo umdlali uyayithanda iKaizer Chiefs. uStanley Nwabali uyafuna ukuya kwiKaizer Chiefs, yabo, uyafuna ukuphuma kweChippa aye kwi-team enkulu, yabo. Kuyikona ukuthi ama-team amakhulu la eSouth Africa afuni ukumrecruit umfana, yabo. Ukubona kweni should Kaizer Chiefs sign uStanley Nwabali mhlambe ngoJanuary noma mase kuphela isizini, or iKaizer Chiefs mele iyobheka ugoalkeeper omncane wala eSouth Africa, because I saw many people saying iKaizer Chiefs mele sign ugoalkeeper bala eSouth Africa, not ugoalkeeper bangaphandle, yabo. Mekunjalo imuphi ugoalkeeper iKaizer Chiefs ingamsayina wala eSouth Africa, yabo. Mina for me ugoalkeeper engimbonayo une-potential but akayitholi game time ulo-goalkeeper lo wamaZulu omncane. Igama lakhe ngibuye ngilikhohle but yena uyavimba impela. I think uOlwethu Mbanjwa, if I'm not mistaken. uOlwethu Mbanjwa uyavimba lo mjide lo, and uyayidinga i-team ezokwazi ukumsusa lapha kumaZulu, because akayitholi game time kumaZulu. Sebeze balanda uRichard Ofori nje azogqiba i-potential yakhe, because that goalkeeper unayo potential. Kuyikona ukuthi kwi-team vele angayazi akwazi ukushayina kuyona, because bakwi-crisis right now. Njengoba bekwi-crisis bazodinga o-goalkeeper aba-more experienced. Ingakho bayakolanda uRichard Ofori lo bedla kwiOrlando Pirates, because uvele imoto ubesengenzi kahle, yabo, siyakhumbula sonke. So for me lo mfana lo Olwethu Mbanjwa mhlawumbe angafika lapha kwiKaizer Chiefs azenzele igama, azakhele igama, yabo, because ugoalkeeper wala eSouth Africa mhlawumbe bengingamfuni ugoalkeeper wangaphandle. Uyana goalkeeper lo angafika enza izinto zenzeke lapha. But ngezwe ngani kuma-comments, yabo, sengiposta ama-video lapha ka-YouTube kakhulu, because uTikTok usiyangikhipha la kakhulu bafika. So mufuna ukubona more videos aqhuma kuvana Sports ungalapha TikTok, unganjalo lapha ka-YouTube, ufike usubscribe khona uzowafica khona ama-video maningi bafethu. Ngiyayibonga i-support yenu.